In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add store to favorites on Dhgate. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click so you can quickly return to the shops you like most and keep an eye on new items or promotions. Start by opening your browser and heading to dhgate.com. Give the homepage a moment to load so the navigation and search tools are fully available. If you're planning to save favorites, it helps to make sure you're signed into your account first. That way the favorite will be tied to your profile and will sync across devices. If you already know the store's name, type it into the search bar at the top of the page and press enter. Scan the results for the official store profile or jump into one of the store's product listings. Either route will take you to a page where the store header is visible. If you don't have the exact name, no problem. You might discover a shop while browsing. When you open a product you like, look near the top of the product page for the store's name and logo. Clicking that will open the store's main page, which is a great place to add it to your favorites. Once you're on a product page or the store page, look toward the upper right-hand area of the header. You'll see a small storefront icon with a heart on it. This is the favorite store button. Move your cursor over that icon and click it. On most pages, you'll notice the heart or the icon accents turn yellow immediately. That color change is your confirmation that the store has been added to your favorites. You might also see a brief on-screen message confirming the action. If nothing happens when you click, first check that you're logged in. Some browsers also block pop-ups or scripts. A quick refresh usually resolves that. If you accidentally favorited the wrong store, just click the heart icon again to remove it, and the highlight will revert to its default color. These same steps work if you're using the Dhgate app, though the icon may be in a slightly different spot near the top of the store header. The key is to look for the storefront symbol with a heart. After you've added a store, it becomes much easier to find it later from your account's favorites section and revisit it whenever you want to check new arrivals or restock options. That's all there is to it. Open Dhgate, locate the store, click the heart-shaped store icon at the top right, and watch for it to turn yellow to confirm. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.